Good morning, friends. Last week we have seen about verbal communication. Now you may have crossed something about the verbal communication and how it is verbal communication has been used in our everyday life, and also some of the styles types and styles we are predominantly using in verbal communication. Also, we have seen the last week, and also some of the tips and some of the factor which hinder our effective communication. That's also we have seen. And today's we are going to see about the non-verbal communication. So last week we see about the verbal communication. The verbal communication predominantly using the language or words, predominantly using the words, and that was we called as a language. But in the non-verbal communication, we are not at all using the words to deliver our communication. And the non-verbal communication is most important part of our everyday life. So before going to actual classes, I request all of my students. So don't consider this is kind of the regular classes, and we are going to concentrate on the class very carefully and attending the class. I understand so many factors involved to listening to these online classes. Maybe the poor network and you cannot able to access the network, and also you don't have a download speed, and so many factors involving. I understand all of our feeling, but I request that so use this kind of classes to leap forward to our own learning. So these kind of simple clips, I never going for a 40 minutes or 45 minutes class. So I purposefully I made my classes only 12 to 15 minutes. So this is simple class and give you some idea about what actually we are going to deal. So using this, and you can I request all of my students to explore more how it is used in everyday life. So this class we are going to only see about the non-verbal communications. So before going to see about the original non-verbal communication and its definition, meaning, proxemics, chronemics, movement of and body position, posture, what is the facial expression, gesture and eye contact and everything. And this class is general orientation about how the non-verbal communication is plays most important in our lives. And before going to classes, how the everyday communication happen in the world and how it has a role in our daily life. That's the most important. You don't think that whatever we learn through theory does not have application. But in my experience, everything, every learning, every theory have a clear application in the contemporary society. That's what I request all of my students. Whenever you study something, you should correlate with what is happening in the society. How this theory is applicable to in the society. How every day they are using this kind of technique or skills in the society. So that's what the most important part in any communication process. So here the communication trouble, one of the newspaper clip. So here have one of the newspaper clip the last week or 2 days before, I didn't remember, in the Hindu, the communication trouble. So this column is called the communication trouble. So here the cow during the corona times, the pandemic time, the political leaders and bureaucrats have a communication trouble to communicate what actually they have in their mind to communicate to the public. So whatever the communication they given by the government completely misunderstood by the public, and also whatever the public thinking cannot be absorbed by the government. So the communication has a clear trouble. Why the communication given by the government and the bureaucrats completely misunderstood by the possibility of misunderstood by the public. So that's what the everyday we have to brief the media, and how we can have without any misunderstanding how we can communicate is most important. So that's what every day the communication is matters. Here again, so the two paper clip and how we in communication. So in earlier classes, maybe the first year, you are in communication, you have a fidelity, the component of fidelity, component of credibility, and all are the component of communication. Here one paper clip says that there is no use of using the sanitizer. The Kirimi Nasini Telipal Payanillai. In the Tinamani, they using the 11th May, they said that there is a big column and why it is not effective, and give a reason for that, and quoting the examples. Again, the government, they gave an example. So, here they said that 2 அல்லது 3 மணி நேரத்துக்கு ஒரு முறை கிருமி நாசினி தெளிக்க வேண்டும். The same day, the 11th May in Thinamani, they say that there is a no use in using the krimi nasini or sanitizer. And here, the same day, another newspaper, they say that every 2 or 3 hours you have to spray the sanitizer. That's what. There's a both are those are different communication. So what the public they have to believe. So the communication is the consistency is most important. The credibility is most important. And the fidelity is most important. These are the concepts you must learn from the rural fundamentals of agriculture extension. I hope so. So that's what when you are going to use the communication as a tool, it is the most important. You have to be consistent with the previous communication, and also you should understand there is a huge possibility to misunderstood by other person. That is encoding and decoding, what we already have seen. So here another important so again every message from the media you have to clearly I request you to keenly watch what actually it has a meaning. So here and here there is another newspaper cutting. So there is a collaboration between the Facebook and Jio. So if this comes together, these two the telecommunication or social media group, one social media group and telecommunication is come together, what kind of effect, what kind of impact they have made in the society. That's what so here is குறிப்பாக தனிநபரின் விருப்பம், டேஸ்ட், எதிர்பார்ப்பு உள்ளிட்ட வகையான தகவல்கள் கூட பேஸ்புக்கில் உள்ளது. Whatever you say, whatever you in the Facebook and Skype or whatever social media using, whatever data you are providing, that data has been analyzed and giving for the communication purpose. So the everything whatever you learn, whatever the skill you are acquired, it has an application in the common life. That's what I request all of my students. Every day whatever you learn in the communication aspect, you have to look out the newspapers, you have to look out the social media, you have to look out the what kind of communication tools you are access. So how these principles or how these theories is applied by this kind of media. So that's what we can improve our knowledge on our communication skill. So now we are going to actually, so this every day you can so many news clips are coming. If you are really interested, and this is the way of learning, and we have to make it practice how the whatever the classes the teacher says, but it has application in the society. That's why it is the most important part of our life. Here what is a meaning of non-verbal communication. So here we go. The Peter F. Drucker. He is you might have heard about him, or if not so, he believed to be he is the father of management science. So whatever the management principle, the management science, is the father of management science. He is called the Peter F. Drucker. He says that non-verbal communication, putting in a simple word, the most important thing in communication is hearing what is not said. Very important. When I am communicating, I am not all the things I cannot express it. So where I am making silence, when I am not keeping mum, the reading between line is most important. So not only understand what I am saying, you should understand what I am not saying. So why something I am not saying. So இதெல்லாம் நாம் சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, அந்த பேச்சுவாக்கில் நம்ம சொல்றோம், இதெல்லாம் வெளிப்படையா பேச முடியாது. So something be hidden. That's kind of knowledge is most important. The most important thing in communication is hearing what is not said. The what is not said is a non-verbal communication. Through your eyes, through your hands, through your body movement, through your way of dressing, everything is a matter. So the cow is a non-verbal communication is most important. So please observe this picture. So these pictures, if you are showing this picture and what actually they are going on, you can guess what they are going. So you may say that. So they are telling something secret. They are communicating something very secret to in the air. So here, they are communicating using the word. So using the secret communication. But the secret communication is have a the tone of voice. They have a the reducer voice, the tone voice and volume and whispering towards his ears. So this we call as a non-verbal. So when you are using the verbal and using the volume and these are the to maximize the effect of that communication, using so much type of this kind of whispering and ear to ear and also this kind of movement, we call as a non-verbal communication. So here you can see this image. So here we will see this photograph and ask you to what is your opinion. Then we can see that all people are interconnected. So the photographs is clearly the giving of idea. So no need to speak verbally, but we can perceive something from this photograph. That's what so image, simple, illustrators and all things, they have a ability to communicate themselves. So no, the words are needed. So as you know, so one simple photograph is equal to 1,000 words. So that means the photographs themselves, they can deliver the message. So here another important aspect. So in the restaurant, in the hotel and some of the where this the common picture, when you are going to eat in the restaurant, some of the bearer or waiter came to our table and ask for the what you are going to eat. Here the observation is, so the both the customers, they are approaching, the eye contact is with the bearer, but the bearer they not have eye contact with the customers. So even though they have space from the reading the space from the customer, they have a smile in their space, and also the bearer have a smile in the space. This seems that this will give idea that all have a very good communication and the effect of communication is a good. So that's what when you see the communication is effective, the smiling and eye contact and the posture and all are turning towards and looking at you like that. This kind of body posture is everything is important for the non-verbal communication. The later classes actually every body movement is saying that, and if this class just watching the eyes and also the body posture and eye contact, everything is revealed. Non-verbal is the most important than the verbal. And if you see these pictures, what do you observe? We simply say that the girls are enjoying their time. So how we can come to conclude? So the laugh there, when you are laugh, so the genuine laugh. So in the practical classes, once the regular classes open, you will see some exercise. But here you can see, when you genuinely enjoy your time, your eyes are almost shrinking like this. So so you can see the eyes are closed and almost closed under the shrinking. So when smile through from bottom of your heart, your eyes, so that you are genuinely enjoying your time. So that's what every body language, every facial expression, every posture. So it is the most important. Give us some clues to understand non-verbal communication. So that's what this kind of clues most important. So understand now this kind of similes you are using. So we will see in the next class about what kind of this kind of smiles and some kind of the postures, why it is impact our life. So the key takeaway from this class, so you should understand that whatever they learn from the theories, whatever we have some hint. So using this, you can improve your own learning through what is happening in the main media, the print media, social media, how they are using the words, or how is using the non-verbal cues, how they are using the photograph to substantiate our argument. Everything you should know. So that's why everything is interrelated and everything is have application in the society. So this class we assessed the claims about the role of non-verbal communication in our everyday life. How it is help us to communicate the better. Maybe eye contact, maybe our postures, maybe our hand movement. Everything is most important. Okay, and we will see in the next class about some of the basic theories and basic application in non-verbal communication. Okay, until then, take care and safe. Stay in your home and convey my regards to your parents and every we can. And I essentially request you to learn by yourself. And if you have any doubt or something you want to clarify, please feel free to contact me. Thank you so much.